score good marks in their practical examination. For them, I want to discuss with you that what format of the file is appropriate if you are using this format, so definitely you can score very good marks in your practical examination. But before that, we will discuss what are the topics which are prescribed by CBSE and on which topic you can prepare your business study project file. See, these are the 4 topics which is prescribed by CBSE. First topic is marketing management, second is principle of management, third is business environment, and fourth topic is stock market. As a board student, you can opt any one topic among these topics. Any one topic you can choose for your practical file. And see, this is the whole format which is very essential for your project work. If you have to follow the same formats, then definitely you can prepare a very good file and you can score good marks for your practical examination. The very first point of the format, that is title page, second is acknowledgement, third is certificate, fourth is content. Content means index, you can say. Introduction of your topic. Suppose you are opting marketing management topic, so you need to give the introduction here, and it is very mandatory for the marketing management that if you are opting this topic, so you need to be prepared your own product over there. In the file, it is mandatory for you all that you need to be prepared your own product in case if you are opting marketing management. Suppose you are opting marketing management and your topic is lipstick. If you are taking the topic lipstick, that means you need to fix your own brand name, your own tagline, your own logo, and you need to fix the price according to your manufacturing process. So marketing management, you need to choose your own product, whatever you are producing for the file. So in introduction, you need to mention the introduction of the topic, that is marketing management, and you can write here the 4 P's of marketing management, that is product, price, place, promotion. 4 P's is the main base of marketing management. So you need to choose your own product, you need to fix your own brand name, you need to fix your own tagline and logo also. Then price, you need to fix up the price according to your own manufacturing process. Then place, that means what kind of channel of distribution you are using in your delivering that particular commodity to the prosperous customers, to the future customers. And last one is promotion, that means how you are giving or creating the awareness among the consumers regarding your product, whatever you are producing. So the whole concept of marketing management is dependent on 4 P's. Introduction is very essential. Introduce your topic and create a base here for preparing your project file. Then after, you can write the SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is very essential for project file. SWOT analysis shows that what is the strength of your product. Whatever you are producing, what is the strength of your product. S means strength. W means weakness. What are the weaknesses in your product? What are the opportunities you have in the market? And what are the threats? Threats, you can say your competitors. How many competitors are available in the market which can create the threat for your productivity? So SWOT analysis is very essential in each and every topic. It is very mandatory. S means strength, W means weakness, O means opportunity, and T means threat. Then after, collection of data. Basically, collection of data is divided into 2 categories, that is primary data and secondary data. Primary data means first-hand data. When you go to the market and conduct a market survey over there and prepare the questionnaire, that is primary data. Secondary, when you have to taken up the data through net, through newspaper, through articles, if you are taking the data from any journal, that is considered as secondary data. So in your file, you can mention collection of data is very important for your file, and it is divided into 2 parts, primary data as well as secondary data. Primary data means first hand data, when you have to the market and prepare the questionnaire over it. That is considered as primary data. Secondary data means when you have to collect the data from net, or you are collecting the data from any article, from journals, from newspapers, from books. If you are collecting the data, it is considered as secondary data. Then after conclusion of your file, it is most important. Conclusion means whatever research you are doing, whatever topic you are discussing in your file, what is the result of your report? That is conclusion. Bibliography. Bibliography means what kind of source of data you are using in your file. If you are using the book, then you can write the author name as well as book here. If you are using internet, then you can write the name of that particular website. If you are using the articles in journal, then write down the name of article and journal over there. And last is questionnaire. Questionnaire means you need to design a particular questionnaire. You need to mention different type of question in that. It can be MCQs form, it can be yes or no form, and it can be in form of one sentence on one word also. That questionnaire should be related to your topic. Questionnaire should be related to your topic. So this is the whole format of the project file. If you are using this format, so definitely you can score very good marks in practical file. And in this video, I will show you the practical file also. Through that you can get an idea that how you can prepare a good project file and you can score very good marks in practical examination. Thank you everyone.